Are you overwhelmed with household tasks and considering part-time help? You're not the only one in Singapore. There's always a demand for part-time maids here, especially with more families needing help keeping their homes in order without going over their budgets. But before you hire a part-time helper, you need to understand our country's laws on the matter. Singapore has certain regulations regarding the employment of maids. One of the most important rules is the work permit. A part-time maid who is a citizen, permanent resident, or a dependence pass holder don't need to procure a work permit. They're already protected by the Employment Act, which guarantees their rights to rest days and overtime pay. Meanwhile, foreign domestic workers must have a valid work pass from the Ministry of Manpower. However, they can't moonlight for other employers, only the one listed on their permit. Hiring a moonlighting maid can lead to costly consequences, so always screen carefully. Fortunately, there's a simpler way to go about this. You can hire a professional cleaning service or a part-time maid agency. These companies are part of the Household Services Scheme, an initiative that lets them provide part-time domestic services without requiring workers to live in your home. It's a far easier path than trying to navigate Singapore's labor laws, wouldn't you agree? These agencies handle all the legal checks. You can be sure that the part-time maids they provide all comply with the Ministry of Manpower's requirements. So if you only want to hire a helper for a few hours a week or month, choose one of these companies instead. Many of them offer flexible scheduling and a variety of services to meet your needs. You won't have to spend hours searching for maids online. Just book the service and someone will be at your door. But how can you be sure you found a legitimate part-time maid agency? First, you should check if they're approved by the Ministry of Manpower. Try searching their Unique Entity Number, UEN, or business name on BizFile Plus. Second, check the Household Services Schemes directory to see if the agency is listed. And of course, don't forget to read the reviews and recommendations to see if they actually provide reliable services. But if you don't want to search anymore, then you're in the right place. With Kung Fu Helper, you can enjoy dependable domestic helpers as needed. No need to worry about their work passes and training, we've got that covered for you. So if you have any inquiries, just contact us today. Let's work towards having a well-kept home.